The violent person in my life was my mother's sister's husband, who used to beat his wife to a pulp. I also had a cousin my age, and it affected him. He was the son of my auntie, and I used to protect him. He was like a kicked puppy because he used to get a hiding, and he turned into an abuser. So I realised that there was a cycle, and I began to realise we're creatures of habit. And I also realised that there was a person that was, my cousin was so loving, but he actually turned into a woman beater. And I used to look at him and think, don't you remember when we were 10 and used to hold each other and cry and all that sort of stuff? And then I realised, nah, it's the cycle, it's shaped what he is. Why I wrote a haka that touched directly on domestic violence, didn't sort of beat around the bush, was because of how I'd experienced domestic violence myself. Back then, I think it was the late 90s, there were kids being killed. It's still happening today, and it was embarrassing as a Māori. I used to take on that shame because we take on each other's good and bad as a collective. And so I thought, for a race that was once proud, we were this, we were that, we were navigators, we were a proud race, look at what we've become now. So I took it on myself to, through my haka, get up and start addressing some of these hard issues.